Thank you so much for inviting me to give a webinar today. I'm really excited excited that I have also friends from Lebanon, from all around the region listening to me. I'd like to thank also the creators and the directors of WebCeph. I mean, it's amazing the number of people who are part of this platform now. I've tried the WebCeph software probably early this year, and I'm very happy with it. It's a great software. It's so easy. All my students in Lebanon are working with it. Keep up the excellent work, guys. You're doing us a big favor. Thank you so much. Also for the panelists for being here. Please, if I make any kind of mistakes, don't be very hard on me. I'm getting old, so just give me cut me some slack. I just want to share with you from which part of the world I am. I live in Beirut in Lebanon. It's a very small country in the Middle East. It's situated between Palestine and Syria, and we have the Mediterranean Sea. It's a country of 5 million people. I graduated from St. Joseph University in 1993 as a doctor in dental surgery, and then I went to Finland. I studied at the University of Kuopio for 2.5 years, and I graduated with a master's degree in orthodontics. And this was really long time ago in 1996, 1997. So I've been practicing orthodontics for almost 22 years. And this is